Guangdong MEI-LO Technology Co., LTDME-LO Technology, is a high-technology company in the aluminum material surface treatment factory and production processes, analysis and research of surface treatment equipment, the production and sales for the above related solutions and equipment. With a rich professional knowledge, abundant relationship network in the line of business, committing attitude and devoting spirit to services, we have been providing anodizing surface treatment technology support, etc. for our clients for a long history. MEI-LO Technology is located in the largest aluminum material production base in China Nanhai District of Foshan City. Nanhai District, with advanced economic environment and favorable transportation conditions, has provided precious resources and abundant opportunities for the stable development and sustainable growth of our company. Armed with rich technology knowledge and industry experience, sophisticated production system, efficient management methods, and excellent company culture, MEI-LO Technology has been market-led in the aluminum material production line equipment, mainly consisted of large power SC rectification devices, large power high-frequency switching electric devices, electrophoresis workshop water purified devices, refining devices, electrophoresis varnish recycling devices, anodizing tank temperature control system, and production line automatic control system, etc. In our perpetual effort and support of our partners in the industry, MEI-LO Technology has obtained outstanding achievements and is still maintaining a rapid development speed. With the operation spirit of professional, concentrate, integrity, co-win, MEI-LO Technology will provide with you excellent products and perfect services in the really concept of growing up with you. MEI-LO Technology is sincerely looking forward to make great future together with you. Power supply, the production line automatic control system, aluminum surface treatment equipment, company of professional, dedicated, honest, win-win business purpose and customers work together, achieve success together.